Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you another way how to get YouTube views, and this time we are gonna do that for free, 100% for free, just by using one site and one site alone. And the site I'm talking about is called Easy Hits for You. Probably you have heard of this site because it has been around since 2003 and it has more than 1.8 million members. Okay, now this is a traffic exchange site basically, and I'm not gonna go through on how this would work because if you already follow me on my channel, then it's the same thing that I've already explained a dozen times before. Okay, so you surf pages for credits, then you use for credits for advertising your own business or products or services or whatever you are selling online. Okay, but this specific site has a feature specifically for YouTube creators. Okay, so we can promote our YouTube videos just by using advertising goods that you can earn for free by surfing or by completing mini offers such as reviewing a site or visiting a site for 8 seconds or watching a YouTube video just like another member will do for your video, etc. Okay, now before we get into that and more details, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit that like button and notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Okay, so I've already served enough today. As you can see, I have here more than almost 600 credits. These are banner impressions and these are text ad impressions. Okay, so as you can see, this is the same terminology as every other traffic exchange site. So let me just go real quickly on how this works. So here you create your website, or as we have seen in my other videos, as sites in other traffic exchange sites. Okay, what you want to do is click here, add a link, a title, choose the language, it's in alphabetic order. Okay, and then you click submit a site. Simple as that. The same goes for banners, but here you have to also add the banner URL or HTML code here, or the banner URL here. The same then, targeted link, the title, the language, and click add banner. Okay, the same procedure as well for text ads. Just click here, add a new text ad, add the title, short text, something that will attract attention, and then the targeted link, the language, of course, and add text. And it will look just like this. When someone clicks on this banner like look, okay, look alike, it will he or she will visit your text ad. All right, also you can create a splash builder, splash pages, and you just click here and there are to type a wizard. You can choose a template or editor. You can edit it and create it from scratch, which I'm not gonna do that for either of these options. Okay, now for the purpose of this video, as I mentioned, this site has also a feature that helps especially for YouTube, period. Okay, and you just go here on this section on the left menu on offers. Okay, and as I mentioned before, you can compute some offers here, such as review a site. For example, if you click here, okay, it will open like this. Okay, it's not loading properly. Ah, right, there you go. Then you click here if it is a review site. Okay, if you want to take a look aside to the site and give your honest review, but I'm not going to do that now. Okay, and that's it. There you go. Well done. 3 credits have been added to your account. Close it. It will take you back to the offer section, etc. The same goes also for a YouTube video. Now let me just click on this too, because this is how another Easy Hits for You member will watch your video and you will get a view. So what you want to do is click here, and I don't remember exactly for how long you have to stay on a video, okay, but I stay for like 12 to 15 seconds, okay. And I probably gonna blur this part to not get a copyright strike, or maybe I won't get any, I don't know. Okay, 15 seconds have already passed. Let me just click here. You will wait, and there you go, bonus edit. Okay, now to add your own YouTube video, you just go here to the offer page where we are right now, and then click this button here on the right. As you can see, add my offer. Just click here, and there you go. There are three options. Easy Hits for You, which will be just a simple page that you will visit for 8 seconds. Other members will visit for 8 seconds. I never used it. Twitter, which I also don't use it because I don't use Twitter. And YouTube. What you want to do is click on YouTube. Alright, and there you go. This is only for views for now, but I hope they upgrade it and update it actually to get also likes, comments, or subscribers. I don't know, something like that. Click on views here, and there you go. Simple as that. Add your title and then add your video link. So let me just get a link of one of my videos. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna go with this video. Let me just pause it, copy the link. Okay, there you go. Here, paste it, and this is a video for a traffic exchange site. So what I'm gonna write as a title is something like still struggling for unique website traffic, something that will attract attention. Okay, whatever you wanna, or you can leave it blank. All right, and then you click OK. There you go. Now there are three ways you can promote this video: using credits, banner impressions, or text ad impressions. Now what I use is credits and text ad impressions, and whatever banner impressions I have, I convert it to text ad impressions, but we'll get into that. So let me just use credits. As we saw at the beginning, I have almost 600 credits. So let's see, click on credits, and there you go. Now here it says maximum 100, but if you click like 500, automatically it will show the real maximum number that visitors that you will get for this video. If you want, you can also raise this. You can put it 4. I will do that, and obviously it will reduce the number. Now you will get 129 views from for this video using your credits, minus obviously 15% fee. All right, so I'm just gonna leave it 4, and let's click on submit. All right, there you go. This is how it will look, and whenever a visitor clicks here, he or she will have to stay for, let's say, 15 seconds. All right, and you will get a YouTube view. But it's not all you get, because if your content is attractive, is unique, or visitors get interested in your content, you will get subscribers, comments, likes, etc. Just by using Easy Hits for You, I'm getting subscribers on a daily basis, like 2, 3, 4, and I know it doesn't sound much, but for my very, very, very small channel, it's not nothing, you know. It's progress. All right, because another one can share that video, etc., etc. So these are this is the way you can promote your video using your credits. Now let's see, let's go to the home page to convert my banner impressions to text ad impressions, and then I'm gonna promote another video. Okay, so if the same visitor sees the other video, it will also be count as another view. Okay, so what you want to do to convert these, you just go here on the left menu, click on convert. All right, here you have to choose banner impressions, and I'm gonna convert them all. Okay, and there you go, the conversion rate, and click on convert. All right, now I have 14.8 K text ad impressions. All right, so what you want to do is go to offers again, add my offer here again, choose YouTube, view, and then let me just get another video here, go back to my channel, this one. All right, why not? Okay, and just bear with me here, because in a while I'm gonna show you some proofs that this really works. All right, that these are legit views. And as you can notice here, guy, it says free account, so I'm not spending any money at all. All I'm spending though is at least 1 hour a day. All right, but 1 hour a day to get a couple of hundreds of views, maybe a little bit more, it's quite worth it, believe me. Okay, so here this is another video for another traffic exchange site. So free website traffic, something simple. Now I'm gonna use text ad impressions. Okay, so it didn't refresh here. I have 14,000, so let me just refresh and do it again. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so my offers, add my offer again. I've already have the link copied, free traffic. Okay, now because it was converted, now I have 0 banner impressions, so the only option is text ad impressions. So you just click here and then you go, this is available. Now again, by default is 100 the maximum number, and 50. You will reward the user with 50. Now because the users in general are drawn more to credits, when they see a YouTube video, they have to stay for at least 12 seconds, something like that. For 50 text ads, they pass to the next one, you know what I mean? So what I do always is I go here to the maximum to see the maximum. Okay, and then I raise it. I raise it to 100 or maybe 200, okay? And there you go. I will get 64, but 64 here and 130 there, it's like 200 views. And if you have a high RPM on your YouTube channel, then it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's worth it. You can earn $5 up to $7. But imagine just for 1 hour work, okay? And you are not spending any money. You are only spending time, which is worth it. All right, so this is it, how you can get YouTube views directly, and these are real views, legit views. I already got one here, so I'm gonna leave this video for easy hits for you with these, because that's what I wanted to show, actually, how you can get real views, but you have to work at least 1 hour, or 1 hour at the most, actually, per day. All right, 1 hour, it's nothing. It's worth it. Trust me, I've tried it, and let me show you some proof. So let me just go to my channel analytics. All right, and this is the video I promoted yesterday, or I think yesterday, and as you can see here, these are the views I'm getting on an hourly basis, and these are mostly from easy hits for you. Now let me just click on this video, go right here to reach, okay, and there you go. If we scroll down, there you go, easyhitsforyou.com, 91.4%. all right, and these are legit views, guys. Okay, 91.4%. all right, now I'm not gonna go through on how much I earned just by these views, because like I said, that is totally relative to your channel's RPM and CPM. Okay, but the point is that these are real views. All right, and there you go, another feature here that appeared like 2 weeks ago from YouTube, when I got a lot of views, because Actually, this appeared when I started using Easy Hits for You, because I didn't use it for a long time. I wasn't using it, but when my YouTube channel got monetized, I thought about using it again to actually test the views, but it really works, trust me. So if we go here, I'm not gonna click, but looking good, your channel's views are up this much due to more interest in one of your older videos, which I was promoting like crazy on his Easy Hits for You. Okay, so this is it for today's video, guys. And by the way, I don't think I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video for Easy Hits for You, because if I remember correctly, a long time ago when I left this link on one of my YouTube videos, I think that it was counted as a spam. I don't know why, and I don't know if I appealed the warning. I'm not sure about that, but it doesn't matter. I'm doing this to spare you a lot of time if you are searching like crazy online how to find real views for YouTube. So that this is one answer. This is one site that you can use, and maybe there are a lot of other sites out there that me either don't know. Okay, I'm not sure, but this is the one that I've been using for a while. At the beginning, I've used it to promote some referral links, etc., and it works. Obviously, it has 1.8 million users and 19 years in the market, so it works, all right. But it also works for YouTube views, as I've shown you already. Okay, but again, there you go, Easy Hits for You. All right. So I think that this is it for today's video, guys. Just remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, hit the like button. I really appreciate that. If you want to join Easy Hits for You to advertise whatever you want, or to get YouTube videos if you are a creator, then just go on Google, click on easyhitsforyou.com, sign up for free. Okay, thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.